How to fix photos not saving to camera roll on Android. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Check your storage space. First, ensure you have enough space on your device. For that, go to Settings, scroll to the bottom of the screen. Now select About Device and tap Storage to check. If a space is low, delete some files to make room. Next step to follow is simply update your app. Sometimes outdated apps can cause issues, so simply head towards the Google Play Store and search for the application you're using like Camera or Google Photos and check for the updates. If there is any, tap update button and update it to the latest version. Now you need to check app permissions. Make sure the app has permission to access storage. For that, again, tap and hold the storage icon and tap App Info. Select Permission option, then tap all the not allowed permission applications and access the permissions. Do the same for other as well. And once you do that, you need to make sure you restart your device once. A simple restart can fix minor glitches. Hold down the power button and then select Restart. That is how we fix photos not saving to camera roll on Android. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.